Okay, so mag-skydiving po kami ngayon. Hindi ka matutulog.
Kasi hindi ka matakot mag-upland mamaya?
Bakit parang mukha ka lang matutulog? So, good luck to us! So, ito na yun ha. Papakita po namin sa inyo ang tapang namin. Hindi kami sumisigaw. Ah, kala mo. Tag is like a collection of my memories here in the US. Kasi this is once in a lifetime. So, ito na nga. June 29, 2024, gagawin namin ang aming kauna-unahang skydiving experience over the York River in Virginia. Sabi nila, this is one of the best views for skydiving in Virginia at matatagpuan ito sa kanilang West Point location. Sa kanilang West Point location, you can free fall over the York River, which is located right beside the airport called Middle Peninsula Regional Airport. Kaya kung gusto nyo ring masubukan, hanapin nyo lang ang nolimitskydiving.com. Okay, I think we're ready. Yeah, kasama naman natin ang First Lieutenant sa likod. Hindi ko alam kung First Lieutenant o astronaut siya. Oh, well, meron pong costume. May costume. So, yun na nga, upon reservation, may mga paalala silang binigay sa amin. Like, for example, wear sneakers or sport shoes, yung no sandals, boots, or shoes with heels, syempre, and wear loose-fitting, yung comfortable clothing lang. Pero, meron rin naman silang ipoprovide na susuotin. Kagaya nitong nakikita nyo sa amin na kulay moss green. And, yun nga, bago din magsimula ang lahat, merong pinapirmahan sa aming waiver na sobrang haba, na para siyang isang kontrata. Kaya siguro para safe na lang din ang lahat.
What's her name? Grab those.
Jean.
Sabi niya, what's her name? Sabi niya, Jade. Ay, Jade. Takot na.
At syempre, in fairness naman, lahat ng mga makakasama nyo sa tandem skydiving ay sisiguraduhin na ligtas kayo at nakabit lahat ng dapat ikabit sa katawan ninyo. And also, tuturuan din nila kayo kung anong dapat nyong gawin sa oras na tumalon kayo mula sa eroplano.
I'll show you where to put your foot in. See there? And then I'm going to say cross your arms. Nice enough. Once we leave the plane, I want you to bend your body. That makes us fall smoothly.
Okay.
Okay, bend your knees a little. Put your legs a little farther apart for you so you don't fall down. Then I'm going to pull your arms out. Then you want to pick your head up towards the sky.
Okay.
No. Bend. There you go. Do it. Pick your head up. There you go. Good. Come in.
Kaka 26 pa lang, old na agad eh.
Okay.
At ito na nga po ang plane na sasakyan namin. Oh, mukhang maliit po ano? Pero, di man naman pong kasya dyan. Kasama yung piloto, yung dalawang skydiving instructor, at syempre, kaming dalawa na gustong tumalon. At syempre, pag lumipad ng eroplano, kailangan nyo lang maghintay kung kailan ito titigil. Kasi sabi, the usual altitude for a tandem skydive is between 10,000 and 14,000 feet. Tapos, mag-free fall kayo between 45 to 55 seconds. And when you reach an altitude of 5,000 feet, doon pa lang ide-deploy ng instructor yung main parachute. Oh, eto na nga, tignan nyo to, pangiti-ngiti lang yan ngayon, pero mamaya abangan. Lalo na to, tignan mo, mukhang matapang talaga. Ang tapang-tapang na mukha dito. Oh, ito, mag-ayos ka pa na, Bok. Sige, okay na yan, ngiti-ngiti. Oh, tapos, pinakita pa nga ni Kuya kung gaano kataas yung tatalo namin. The best talaga. Happy to you, Kuya.
shooting stars. I am so glad you came and stole my heart. Oh, for the better or for good, oh, for the better or for you. Ooh.
You light up the sky like a billion lights. When I'm by your side, I'm in paradise. You're the breath in my bones, you're the fire in my soul. Oh, what a beautiful life. With you, what a beautiful. La 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 life. What a beautiful la la life. La 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 life. What a beautiful la 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 la. When I'm with you, I'm living a dream. When I'm with you, I'm living a dream. When I'm with you, I'm living a dream. When I'm with you, when I'm with you. It's a beautiful life, yeah, yeah. All for the better, all for good, all for the better, all for you, all for the better, all for you, 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 you. What a beautiful la la life, la 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 life.
Yes!
Okay. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Yeah, was fun.
I'm proud of you guys.
Roller coaster is scarier than this one.
Iyo? Paano pag-jump? Was it scary?
No, you just have to depend on them.
Buhay ka pala!
Yes! Masaya!
Ulit! Just kidding.
Parang hindi ka lang na broken hearted.
Oh, cute naman kayo.
The nerves. Because they jump right away.
They jump right away.
Yeah.
They didn't give you time to think.
They jump right away. We did it. Jean, we did it. Congratulations to us. Ayan, yung mga kasama po namin.
Very happy.
Yung sobrang natakot po namin friend. Ayan.
Hashtag conquered.
Yeah. Yeah! Oo! Congrats. So, kukuha po kami ngayon ng certificate kasi na-complete na namin tong course na to. Congrats to us.